Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to open Adobe Photoshop 2022 on your Windows computer. Now if you're receiving this error, that is MSVCP140.dll or VCRUNTIME140.dll. So because of this error message, if you're unable to open Adobe Photoshop 2022 on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and x64 versions. So click on this x86 exe file. Now click on x64 exe file. Now run both the exe file. Click on it. Now you might see the install option. So if you see the install option, click on install. If you see the repair option, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Run the second file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the installation are complete and then restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer after this. Now after the system restart, try opening Photoshop once again. And you should be able to open Adobe Photoshop 2022 on your Windows computer without that error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.